In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy multiple Google Sheets using Sheets Manager. Whether you're looking to duplicate specific sheets or create backups of important data, Sheets Manager simplifies this process, making it easy and efficient. We'll walk through each step together, so let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to open your Google Sheet. This might be a sheet you regularly work with or a new document where you want to duplicate your existing data. Once you've opened your Google Sheet, turn your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen. You'll see several options there. Click on Extensions. This is where you'll find various add-ons that enhance Google Sheets' built-in capabilities. Within the Extensions menu, you'll want to look for Sheets Manager. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to do that first. Sheets Manager is a powerful tool that offers several functionalities, including the ability to copy multiple sheets seamlessly. Once you've located Sheets Manager, go ahead and select it. After selecting Sheets Manager, your next move is to click on Start. This action initializes the Sheets Manager interface, which provides a user-friendly experience to manage your sheets more effectively. A new section will appear, dedicated to the tasks you can perform with Sheets Manager. Now, in this Sheets Manager section, take a moment to identify the sheet tab name you intend to copy. It's crucial to be clear about which specific tab or tabs need duplication, as this ensures accuracy in your copying process and avoids any unnecessary errors or confusion. Once you've chosen the sheet you wish to copy, look for the Copy to icon. This icon acts as the facilitator for your duplication task, allowing you to direct where the copied sheets will be placed. Click on it to proceed. Here, you will decide where to store your copied sheets. Select the option labeled Current Spreadsheet. This means your copied sheets will remain in the same Google Sheet file you're currently working with, but in new tabs. Next, click on the name of the current spreadsheet where you want these copies to reside. This requires you to either confirm or choose the exact spreadsheet destination within the existing file hierarchy. Once you've finalized the spreadsheet name, click on Select. This step confirms your choice and prepares Sheets Manager to execute the copying process. Now comes the final component of renaming: Sheets. Manager gives default names to the copied sheets like Copy of Name or Copy of Product. You can choose to keep these names or rename them to something more specific to your needs. And there you have it, a straightforward, efficient way to copy multiple sheets within Google Sheets using Sheets Manager. By following these steps, you ensure your data is organized and accurately duplicated, providing more room for seamless collaboration and analysis.